I cannot realize this proximity between French and English. Orange, orange. So what? Say the same thing. You guys seriously languages, and today I'm gonna talk about the colors in French. Before we get started, please just go down there, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the post notification if you haven't done it. So let's go. So let's go for the colors in French as I mentioned before. For example, red, orange, yellow, purple, silver, gold, black, white, and everything. So, first one. Red in French means rouge. Rouge, écoutez bien. Rouge. Rouge means red. It's not rouge. The letter G in English pronounced in French as G. Rouge. So it's not rouge, it's rouge. Rouge means red. Yes, that's it, great. Rouge means red. So, next one. Orange. Orange in French means orange. It's too close together. Orange, orange. There is such a proximity between these two languages, English and French. Orange. Orange means orange. Alright? Orange. Orange. So it's not orange, it's orange, as I mentioned. Okay? Next one. Yellow. Yellow in French means jaune. Jaune. Jaune means yellow. So it's not June, no. Jaune. Jaune means yellow. That's it, great. Next one, that is somehow the most popular French word, is vert. Vert in French means green. So, next color is green, and green in French means vert. 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 Vert means green. Great. That's it. Next one. Cyan. Cyan in French means cyan. 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 Right? Cyan. I'm just insisting that you should just pronounce your almost the whole of the words and letters in French from your nose. Cyan. Cyan. Great. That's it. Next one. Black in French means noir. 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 Yes, that's it. Great. Noir means black. And white in French means blanc. Blanc. Blanc means white. It's not blondes or blanc. No. You should not pronounce the last letter. Blanc. Blanc means white. Alright, great. Next one. Brown. Brown in French means marron. Marron. Marron means brown. Marron, brown. Marron, brown. Please just memorize it in the duration of the video, right? Marron. Marron. Yes, great. You rock. Marron means brown. Next one. That's the somehow popular color for girls. Pink. Pink in French means rose. Rose. Rose means pink. So, rouge was red and rose means pink. Okay? They're different. You just be aware of these two words. Rose and rouge. Rouge means red and rose means pink. Great. So next one. Gold in French means or. Or means gold. Or. Alright? right? Great. Next one. Silver. Silver in French means argent. Argent. Argent means silver. Okay, repeat after me. Argent. Argent. Yes, that's it. Great. You rock. Argent. The next one. Gray. Gray in French means gris. Gris. So gris means gray. Okay, repeat after me. Rouge. Orange. Jaune. Vert. Cyan. Marron. Rose. Blanc. Noir. Gris. Or. So these are colors in French. We will expand this lesson, colors, in next videos of this playlist, so don't worry about that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for commenting, subscribe, having post notifications turned on. See you later.